All right, man. I went out today, got on them big time. So I'm gonna let you guys see some of the crappies I caught today. I think I got about seven, a couple bass. I kept two bass. I'm gonna eat them jokers tonight, or probably this week to see what they taste like. There you go. There is a two bass here, and crappies. Big old thick slabs. There you go, so. About to clean these jokers up, bag them up, and I'm done. I'm wore out. The heat got to me. Right, so we're gonna see the two big fish, what size or how long they are. So this one here is 0, 12, a little bit past 12. A little bit, that's a big old fish. That's a big fish. And then that's a female. It's a male right here. This one's probably the same thing. 0, 0, 12, right on the 13 inches, 12 3/4. Man, it's a nice fish. So those two is 12 3/4. Them two are just probably about 11. Not bad. Oh, them some decent fish. Not bad at all. All right, so right now I'm cleaning them up. You guys flaying them up, so I'm gonna show you what I'm doing today. I haven't caught crappie so long. I'm keeping everything. Basically, I'm even keeping the skeleton. You know what I mean? The rib cage or whatever you want to call it. Not rib cage, but the skeleton. Yeah, the spine. So I'm keeping a tail on it, the fins on it, the fillets, of course. I'm keeping all that. So I have 14. So I got 7 fish or 14 fillets, and I have 7 of these, and I'm gonna be eating those through the week. You want to scale right there? Bam. I ain't gonna worry about the skeleton on these. I'm ready. I'm kind of tired. I'm keeping this. I might well gonna keep it. It's good meat on the skeleton. Good meat on that spine. What's that skeleton and spine? There you go. One last fish. One last fish. Good one too. Big boy. Big old mayo. Big old filet. Right away. Get the skeleton. Remember, don't do it hard. Just you want the thing to catch them. See, it catches it for you. But if you go crazy, it'll go flying everywhere. There we go. See there? All right, so let me show you guys what I came up with. Here we go. So I just clean it up a little bit. All right, so this is what I came up with. I cleaned them up. They look really good too. I mean, they look really, really good. God dang. They look good. They look good. They look really good. There we go. Even the skeleton look really good. I mean, the skeleton, the spines look really good. All right, so yeah, I'm about to bag these up. And I'm about to eat. Wife cooked some chicken, baked chicken and rice. About to eat. So you guys have a great one, man. Enjoy y'all Sunday. And hopefully the next video, the GoPro act right, and we'll get some footage for you, or some better footage. All right, there we go. That's the finishing touches. One bag. One big old bag full of fillets. That's heavy too. That's the finishing touch. So call it a day. Thanks always for watching. Peace.